How's it going, guys? So some of you might recognize this car right here, but if you don't, this is my 97 Pontiac Grand Prix GTP. It's turbocharged, it's cammed, it's 290/85. It's got forced pistons, built valve train, and a whole bunch of other stuff. This thing sat outside for a year now, and I feel really bad because this used to be my baby before I got the G8. Once I got the G8, this kind of got pushed to the side, and then I got the motorcycle, and it so you know, it's hard to keep up with 3 different projects and living in a house by myself. So this blew the differential last year, and transmission is basically gone, so it's just been sitting. But I feel really bad, and I feel like I need to give it the love it deserves. So today I'm going to be detailing it. You know, I'm going to wash it, wax it, put sealant on it, clean the interior, clean the engine, and just make it look awesome again. If you guys want an idea of just how gross this is, look at the glass here. This needs a wash bad. Honestly, like this does not deserve to be sitting outside like this. But I don't have anywhere else to put it. Here's the G8. But I'm gonna clean it up really nice, add some wax and sealant protection, clean it up like it needs to be. We finished washing it and everything, dried it off, but I'm still, of course, not happy with the quality of the paint. So I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on it. It's a Meguiar's Gold Class Carnauba wax. This is the liquid version. There's also a paste version, but I just feel like I prefer the liquid version. I don't know if it really works better than the paste, but I just prefer this one. So you can use the paste one if you like. I'm gonna throw this on, and then I'm gonna spray a coat of I'm gonna use the Meguiar's Quick Wax or the Mother's Ceramic Hybrid Wax. I don't know. And then I'm gonna put the Snap-on sealant on it, and then I think that'll do it. Now we're gonna go to the interior. Just so you guys get an idea, this is what it looks like after I washed it. This bumper is a bit faded. Wax is only going to do so much. That's going to need paint correction, but it'll help. That is orange peel. That's not going to come off, just wax, but we're not worried about that right now. It's going to be a while before this even drives anyway. I'm just trying to show you guys what the paint looks like now after I've washed it by hand. Some swirl marks in the paint, I know. This thing either just needs a respray or a really good paint correction. But front bumper definitely needs to be redone. Hood probably too. Yep. So it looks a lot better, but we're not done yet. So we can get to work. So, the outside is done. I don't know, I just show you guys here. Got a full coat of that liquid, or the Gold Class liquid wax, and a coat of Turtle Wax Sealant Shine. I also shine the tires. This thing is looking pretty good for no paint correction being done. Yeah, definitely could use paint correction though. That's not what we're going for today. I need to polish up the intake a little bit. Fill up the coolant on the heat, or the heat exchanger. The motor mounts look absolutely gross now. But if I just like spray paint them and get some new bolts, they'd look just fine. That's all clean though. So now next step is to start cleaning the interior. It's not terrible, but it definitely needs it. I'll just clean the door jambs here. Vacuum the seats. Probably put some leather conditioner there. Clean the dash up a bit. And I'm gonna spray some scent killer in here too. It just smells old. But yeah, I'm just gonna get to work on that now. All right, guys. She's officially detailed, waxed, whatever. I mean, this is as far as I'm gonna go today, since I can't even drive it anyway. But looks a lot better now. Wish I could fix the sunroof. About the most I can move it is through the driveway, if that. Boy, she does look good though, for over a 20-year-old car. Can't wait to fix it and I can actually drive it again. I'm not sure when that'll be. Take a good amount of cash to get this off my hands. So yeah, should we start it and see how she runs now?